What are APIs? An API is a set of definitions and protocols used to develop and integrate application software. API stands for Application Programming and Interface. APIs allow your products and services to communicate with others without the need to know how they are implemented. These implement simplifies application development and save time and money. API gives you flexibility, simplify application design, management and use, and provide opportunities for innovation, which is ideal design new tools and products, or managing existing ones. Benefits. There are several benefits to the approach. It allows customers to access data with an API that help them and add information about their inventory in one place. The book distributor could make changes to the internal system without affecting customers. As long as the behavior of the API was the same, with a publicly available API, developers working for the book distributor, vendor, or third party could develop an application to help customers find the books they need. They could result in higher sales of the others' business opportunities.
APIs work. An API is used to establish communicate with a database, an operating system, or a communication protocol. To name a few possibilities, even social networks use different APIs. A tool to manage tweets, for example, can use an API to establish communication with the service that the user uses. One of the keys to how APIs work is a ease of integration. These tools have to be simple to integrate with other software so that communication can be carried out successfully. Similarly, your update should be conflict free to keep your performance at its best. Avoid problems related to its updates. One of the following 2 points must be met, or both that the format of the data that it sends is responsive to the program in which it is integrated does no change. This documentation explains very clearly how to adapt the program so that it can continue to use that for. The developers of any program for Windows that connects to the internet do not need to include in their code the function necessary to reconcile the network card. For example, a call to the corresponding API of the operating system is enough. Masters can automatically include update Amazon or eBay products on their websites, allowing you to start the purchase process from their website. Or paraphrased, they allow you to identify yourself with a Facebook Connect, thus saving the complex user management process and avoid the internet user having to register one on one more website. Similarly, plus one buttons on blogs are called to the Google API.
Node.js. What is it? Node.js is a improved to tweeting for ordinary from Python barely objective environment from barely 11 or 11 from C event match from Ruby bit D from D and Java EE from Java Terrace Apache Mina Native Bert X Grizzly or X such unlike most JavaScript code it does run in a browser, but rather on the server's Node.js implement. One command is specification 7 Node.js include Rebel environment for interactive debugging. Font Node.js is JavaScript around the neighborhood. Here is it ending in the JS referring to the JavaScript language. This real-time runtime environment includes everything you need to run a program right in JavaScript. Event in Node, there is an event lab, so that when you declare an event, the system listens that at the moment it occurs to execute a function. The function is now as a callback or as an event heart, and it contains the code that you want to be executed when the event to which we have associated its course.
jQuery is a JavaScript library. This library is open source, simplifies the task or programming in JavaScript, and allows you to interactivity to a website without having knowledge of the language. The simplest use is to select elements or groups or elements from a web page, but it can also be used to create elements on the fly or to callback function. When an event occurs, the provided function is executed inside the function. It refers to the DOM elements that started the events. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is a set of web development techniques that allow web applications to work asynchronously, processing only requests to the server in the background. Both JavaScript and XML work asynchronously in AJAX.